Bienvenidos, welcome. My name is Radairis and you are watching Hraview. Alright y'all, so today we're going to do a review slash experiment slash first impression. I don't know what it is, but that's what it is. Of putting lashes on underneath the eyelid. So before we get started, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button so you can get more reviews like this. Now, let's get started on the good stuff. So I don't know how late to the game I am to this, but I recently found out that you can put your lashes underneath the eyelid. So it's basically like not out over it, but like underneath the lashes. And my mind is blown. I'm like, I must be late to this game because I had no idea this was a hack. I'm really excited to try it for the first time, so we'll see how it goes. I'm a little bit nervous as well, just because just the idea of going underneath the lashes is a little scary, but hopefully you'll be good. Guys, this is my first time ever doing this, so bear with me, but I want to do it with you guys for the first time so we could actually know how easy this is. They say it's easy, so we'll find out. And if it is as easy as they say it is, then this is a game changer, y'all. Like literally game changer. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first step we have to do is put on mascara. And then the next thing we're going to do is cut these bad boys in half, because I hear that it's easier when you cut them in half rather than putting the whole thing on, which makes sense. So next, we are going to add the glue, and I am using the Ardell Lash Grip dark glue. And you're supposed to put the glue at the top rather than at the bottom. So let's see how that works. I'm a little nervous, y'all. I'm a little nervous. Whew, here's the moment of truth. This is not easy. Oh my god, I'm nervous. Okay. Oh my god, this is horrible. This is horrible. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it into 3 parts actually. I think maybe that might work better for me. Okay. Okay, I put 1 in. I cut it into 3. I put 1 in. I'm letting it dry. I was expecting this to hurt my eye, but it doesn't, so that's good. This might take some getting used to, but that's what we're doing this for. I think I got over that fear of poking my eye, so I think the hardest part for me is like finding the rhythm of placement. Okay, there you go. And I actually have 1 more piece of strip, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. I don't think I need it. I really like this. Okay, that was the first eye. Let's go ahead into the second eye. Poked my eye. It happened, we're moving on. I'm still trying here, y'all. Okay, I think I did it. Okay. Always remember to let it sit so that it could be your friend. So yeah, what a little experiment. Wow, that took a lot longer than I expected. They made it look super easy online. And it's not that it's hard, it just takes practicing. So for my first time, like this took me like at least 15 minutes to try and put this on. Mind you, I spent a lot more trying to put on the upper lid, and that one without, no, it doesn't matter how many times I practice, I can never get it right. So I feel like with this one, I'm just gonna take a little bit more practice and I'll get it done eventually. I need to practice a bit more on the form that I'm using to put it on the underlid. I'm not used to that. I feel confident that I'll be able to get this down. And overall, I think it is a little bit better than putting it over the lid. One error that I made was that when I would cut them, I did each one different sizes. So one has more, this side has more of lashes than this side. My mistake. So next time when I cut them, I'm gonna just try and cut them together so that no matter whatever I cut, they're the same size. One more thing, this also looks super natural. I love the fact that you can't see the strip, and yeah, I really like it, and it's lightweight. You don't really feel it that much, which is great. So yeah guys, that is the review slash experiment. Yeah, if you have any questions about this, just let me know. I'll be happy to give you my best feedback from my experience. And don't forget, you are worthy and loved. I'll see you again next time guys. Bye.